Can you make your own YouTube channel art on a desktop or laptop computer with Windows 10? The answer is yes, if you have Microsoft Office already installed on your computer system. Let me show you how. Let's go to YouTube web page first. Now I am at my own YouTube channel here. And once you put cursor at the YouTube channel art location, you see a camera icon on your right hand side upper corner. Click on that. YouTube is uploading channel art window. You see upload photos on the left hand upper corner. Select a photo from your computer in the middle section of this channel art window. Now pay attention to the right hand bottom corner. It says here, recommended channel art size 2560 by 1440. Maximum file size 6 megabytes. So keep this in mind when you create your YouTube channel art using PowerPoint. Okay, now let's close this. And let's minimize the YouTube web page here. Open PowerPoint. When PowerPoint is loaded, and you see the first one is blank presentation. Since we are going to create YouTube channel art from scratch, so we select blank presentation. You may see text box on the screen. Simply select it and remove it. Now go to Design on the toolbar. Click on that. And at the upper right hand side, you see slide size. Let's choose the wide screen, which is 16 by 9. After you choose that, now we need to insert the images that we created for our YouTube channel art. And click on Insert. Right under Insert, click on Pictures. And use this device. Then go to the location where you stored your images for YouTube channel art. You see here, I have a folder, YouTube channel art images. Click on that, click Open. These are few images I selected to be on my YouTube channel art. The first one is the background, so let's insert it. The channel art background is inserted here. Now if that's what you want for YouTube channel art, and then you can go on and start to save this image. But there's a good consideration is when you create your YouTube channel art, you can also brand it. And so I am going to insert a couple of more images here. Do the same. Click Images, select this device, and select my own YouTube channel photos here. Now on PowerPoint, it's quite handy to resize, relocate, and rotate your images. Okay, I like to put it here, or maybe here. Alright, now I'm going to insert another image, which is this subscribe button icon. And you can find a free subscribe button icon on internet, and many varieties of them are out there, and choose one that you like and which is also free for use. Okay, I am going to insert this one, resize it, relocate it, okay, put it here. Alright, I like it. Now I'm going to save it. Go to File, click on Save As, choose this PC, and I'm going to put it on my desktop because I'm going to upload this onto YouTube. Desktop is a good place to easily find it. Okay, we can keep the file name the way it is, presentation 1, and but we can choose different type of file format, JPEG, PNG, or TIFF. I chose TIFF format since it gives me a lossless image, the type of resolution I prefer, so I click on Save. PowerPoint asks me, which slides do you want to export? Since I have one slide, I click just this one. Now you see the file we just created has been saved on the desktop. Now you put the cursor on this image and right click on it, then go to Open With. You see Photo Pad, Photo Editor Free. Click on that. Now this software is loaded here. Now since we are making this YouTube channel art at home for our own YouTube channel account, so we chose the first option here. Okay, now you see in this software you also have some information about the image you created using PowerPoint. The dimension here is 1280 by 720 pixels. If you remember it, I mentioned earlier that YouTube channel art requires specific image dimensions and the file size. And the file size is no greater than 6 megabytes. And the dimensions is 2560 by 1440, correct? Okay, let's resize this image here using this software. I enlarged the window for this software. If you look at the toolbar here, this icon, it says resize. Click on that. And on your right hand side, you see units, pixels. Leave it the way it is. For the width and the height here, let's change it. The width should be 2560. and the height should be 1440. See it? You see, the image is enlarged, right? Because we have resized the original image. And however, you do not see the entire image you created, but don't worry about that. Look at the bottom right-hand corner. There's a sliding bar here. It gives you the zoom setting on this screen. On my screen, right now it is 71%. Okay, let's move the sliding bar towards the negative sign or the zoom out sign to about 50%. Now you see the entire image you created. Okay, let's save this image. Right click on this image, select Save As. Alright, and we can replace the image that we created using PowerPoint with the same name. Okay, click on Save. Replace? Yes. Since it's a TIFF format, a small window pops up in the middle side of the screen. It says TIFF encoding settings. You check the 256 color here. Click Save. Now, this image with the resized dimension has been saved on the desktop. Let's minimize this. Okay, now you put the cursor on this image. You right click on that. You choose property. And in this property window, you click on details. Now you see the dimension is 2560 by 1440 now. So this is what YouTube channel art requires. Click OK. Now we are ready to load this image into YouTube for our own channel art. Now your image has been saved on the desktop. Now let's open YouTube. Here's the YouTube website. And I am opening my own channel on YouTube. Okay, now I'm looking at the channel art section of my own YouTube channel. So I have already have my own YouTube channel art. For the tutorial purpose, let's load this up. Okay, now you see this camera icon. Click on it. Channel art window is loading up here now. Click on select a photo from your computer. Select the image we just created for the channel art. Click open. YouTube is uploading the image we just created. This loading may take few minutes. Depends on how fast your system and your Wi-Fi speed. Almost there. Now your channel art may look slightly different on different devices. For example, on desktop, on TV, on mobile. Now look at this window screen here. If you look at the bottom right hand side, you see an option here, Auto Enhance. Click on that box. YouTube published your image here. Now look at the bottom left hand corner. Click on Select. YouTube is loading up your channel art here. It is loaded here. That is how to do it. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.